Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayana the Hair Raiser here. So I recently did a quick switch when it comes to my hair. As you guys know, for the past few years I've been rocking a super short pixie, but I've decided to grow my hair out. But in the meantime, in between time, while it's growing out, well, not grow all of my hair out, just grow my bangs out. I want to get some long bangs, have like a little, slight mohawk look, full hair at the top. But in between time, I got a little bit of length on my hair, so I was like, I'm gonna make some clip-ins. And this is it right here. So stay tuned if you want to see how I literally switch my look in 10 minutes or less. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you how I've switched up my look. I switched up my look doing clip-ins, like I said. So we're gonna go through just a really quick before and after showing how I do it. So my hair is not that long at all. I started growing my hair out maybe a month ago. Maybe a month or almost 2 months ago. I feel like it's a month that I was like consistently like, I'm gonna grow my hair out. So this is the length of my hair right now. What is this? Like maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches, who knows? So that's the length of my hair. And when I saw the length and how it was getting a little longer, I decided to experiment and see if I could possibly do some clip-ins. And it worked. So I'm gonna show you guys just kind of how I do the clip-ins and how I was able to make it look as natural as possible. So first, these are the clip-ins. Well, this is one of them right here. I got this hair already pre-colored from the beauty supply store. It's not a particular brand. I can't remember the brand right now, but I'll put it right here. It's not pack hair. It's actually, they claim it's, I don't know if it's Indian Remy, whatever hair that it was, bundles. It was some bundles at the beauty supply store. And it was already blue, but it was a little lighter than this. So I just took the blue that I use, which I said I wasn't gonna tell anybody anymore because I went to the beauty supply store and it was all sold out. But I used Spark Electric Blue. But anyway, cause I'm nice, I just put that blue on top just to make it a little darker, just a little darker. And then of course I have that blue in my hair as well. My hair is fully blue, so like pre-lightened all over and blue. So let's get to it. Oh, one more thing. To do the clip-ins, I do already have a video of that on my channel. So it's just really, this is like janky. I did it like late at night, but you're really just sewing the clip onto the hair and that's it. Like that's literally how it is. And then, you're basically measuring it to the width of your hair. This is actually for up here, but what I did was I measured each one, cut it, then put the clips on, then put all of the clip-ins in my hair, then cut it and, layered it and all of that. So let's start. All right, so what I had to do was I had to find my longest clip-in, which is this one. This one goes at the very bottom. And how I usually figure that out is because it's layered a certain way and all of that, because this is like the second time I've washed this hair. So, I always have to figure out how to place it back. But it's already cut, and every clip-in is not as long as the next, so it works like that. So what I do is I part my hair. So my hair is parted. And what I did was I kind of flat ironed the clip-ins before, because when it dries, it kind of dries you know, whatever. So I flat ironed it before so it could be sleek as I'm putting it in, and then I'll just bump it again. So you're gonna put it, my roots are pretty straight. So people wonder if you have to have, I guess, you know, if you have to have like some new growth or whatever, but I did this on freshly relaxed hair and it worked. So just put it as close to the root or on the root, and then snap, snap, and snap. And it's in there. It's in there like swimwear. And that's our first clip in. And we're just gonna do the same thing over and over again, just parting it. So let me find my next one and get to it. All right, guys, so all of the clips are in. All of the clips are in, and this is what it looks like before I bump it. So smooth. I have a little hair that can cover the top clip, so it's not looking crazy, so you ain't seeing my tracks. So yeah. One thing I forgot to do before was I forgot to put some oil on my hair. So I'm just gonna pull this to the side, put some oil on my hair. Of course, I am using the HAIRAZOR hair oil, my baby, which is what is helping me grow my hair out as well. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna take a few drops of this and put it on my hair only. You don't wanna put any oil on the weave because you don't want to weigh it down, because then you're gonna have oily bangs. And you don't want oily bangs. You want fresh bangs, not oily bangs. So yeah, just my hair. But what I am gonna do, that I'll show y'all in a few, is I am gonna put a little bit of beeswax on the bangs, just so it can give it some texture. But that's it. No oil, just a little bit of beeswax and hairspray. So I am using this Sabella hairspray that I get from the shopping club and I'm a part of. I'm gonna spray a little bit of that, and then I'm just gonna bump my hair really quick. So I'm going to take a little bit of beeswax just to kind of give it some movement and texture, and just to kind of piece it up so it won't be so perfect. So just literally a little bit, like it's literally barely anything on my finger. And as you guys saw, I didn't bump anything but the pieces, because my hair is still pretty short, so I don't really need, you know, I don't really need any bumping. And then it's not like a curl style, it's just a little bump to it. Pull out my other mirror. Just gonna spray some hairspray on my brush. And just spray brush this down. Let's spray it down. Brush that down a little bit to get those short pieces to kind of blend in with the weave. And then what I do is I also, at night, I sleep with my hair fully covered. So I will clip everything off my face and just tie it up, you know, kind of, I guess, Aunt Jemima style or whatever, I don't know, where you tie it going to the front. And yeah, so then all of this will be flat, so it'll stay blended in. But that's it, guys. That is it. This is week 2 of the clip-ins, and I am enjoying it. I'm glad that my hair was long enough for me to actually do it, because I have been working out literally every day. Sorry, y'all, I got a piece of hair like literally in my face, well, in my eyesight, and it's weird. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I've been working out every day for the past 37 days. At first, it started off as a 30-day kind of challenge, and then like close your rings challenge that my friend challenged me to, and then it ended up being that I was just going to continue it myself until my birthday, which is another month from now. So the clip-ins really help with working out, because when I'm working out, I can literally just tie everything down, and then when I'm done, I'm just curling the weave. So it's like just bumping the weave a little bit, and then I go. So this is it. I like it. I even like this color because, like I said, it was a little bit brighter than this, and I just freshened up the color a little bit, and I like it a little more. I guess this is more navy, so I'm feeling this. But yeah, guys, this is how I literally switched up my look. This, if it was off camera and me going a little bit quicker, it would literally take me like 10 minutes to do it. So this is a great way for you to switch up your look if you're looking to do something new, especially if you have short hair. Clip-ins are pretty easy to make. If you're not really savvy with that, or if you're afraid that you're gonna cut your hair when you're blending in the bangs or something, ask your stylist. There's a lot of stylists that create clip-ins for their clients, and they, because it's a great alternative in between going to the salon. So I say go for it. Like I said, I love it, especially with me working out. I have been really enjoying working out, so it's like I rather find an alternative for my hair than not work out. Like, it's very important to me. I'm getting older. I will be 34 soon, so it's like, listen, I gotta take control of my health. So I would much rather find an alternative like clip-ins that will work with my hair a certain way, and continue to work out every day. So yeah, but yeah, this is, oh, and just to avoid anybody in the comments or whatever, I do take rest days. There are active rest days. I'll do yoga. I'm on a program, so there are active rest days where it's yoga or Pilates or something to make me stretch and all of that. So I'm not doing high active energy things for 30 days. I'm on a program. I got you. Okay, all right. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is just like an updated tutorial of something I did a few years ago. It was a while ago, yeah. With the clip-ins, I love it. like I said, it's a great way to switch up your style, especially this fall. So if you have any questions, comments, or whatnot, please leave it in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.